All right, hello and welcome to day 14 of 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. This entire week has been all about preparation and application tips, and that is not going to stop today. But not really a tip, but just information about the visa process. So for the schools in the Middle East, the school will handle your visa process. If you go back and check out video 12, I talked about all the documents that you're going to need to prepare for that experience. So once you have all of these documents, you're going to start making sure that you get them over to the school. Whatever documents need to be attested, which if you're not sure how that process works, check out yesterday's video. You're gonna need those and have those also sent over to the school. So the last three videos kind of go together and they help you with your visa process. So getting those documents first of all, so that's your degree, your transcripts, your passport, criminal background check, and your medical check. If you are coming with a spouse, like as a partner, you will also need your marriage license. And I believe that also needs to be attested. So make sure that you are very clear on what needs to be attested and what doesn't. Have those documents ready, get them attested, and get them over to your school so that they can handle the visa process. Sometimes it takes a little bit of a while, so the earlier that you can get those things started, the quicker and faster the visa process will be for you. You should not, if a school is telling you, well, you need to pay ABCD, you should not be paying anything out of pocket for the visa expense at all. The school knows that they are hiring you from a different place. They're uprooting you from your life. They take on that upfront cost as far as the visa process. So as far as the visa process goes, you don't need to worry too much about it. Your end of the bargain is getting those documents ready, having them attested, the ones that need to be, and getting them over to your school. It is a little bit different depending on the countries that you go to. I can't remember the name of the convention right now, but there's a group of countries that sign a particular convention, and there's one set of rules for them and another set of rules for the other one, which I also go over in yesterday's video. So check that out if you have more questions on whether your documents need to be attested or not, depending on which country that you are going to. So I hope that clears up any questions about the visa process. Your end of the bargain is just making sure that you have those documents ready, attested, and to be able to send over to the school. Thank you so much for watching this second week of all about how to teach abroad. I cannot wait to dive into more things next week. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. If you are also somebody who has taught abroad and you have any extra tips to share with people, feel free to leave them. We do not gatekeep over here. I think teaching abroad is one of the most amazing things that you can do, and I would love to have as many people as possible experience that. So share your stories, anecdotes, ideas, advice here in the comments below. And I cannot wait to see you next week for week 3 of 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. See you tomorrow.